everybody, it's Dean DeCosta, the Search Authority, and today we're talking OSINT, Open Source Intelligence. We are on OSINT Essentials, and that's the address, osintessentials.com. Basically, you got OSINT tool, tools and services. So let's start with the OSINT tool, and it's basically where do I begin? Just a little thing to give you an idea what to do, where to do, that kind of stuff. Cool. Doesn't help us a whole lot. Now let's do the tools and services, and here's what you get: links to tools galore that can help you. So let's do this one. Who posted what? Let's click that and see what we get. It takes us here to a handy dandy tool that lets you get IDs, lets you search things, lets you do link time ranges, all sorts of neat stuff. Let's move on down here. We got search by image, we got Instagram, Twitter. Let's see, maritime, people search. Ooh, I love people. See, that's them. It'll just take you. So think of this kind of like a mini version of my SSAR page. It's just listing a few tools, nowhere near what I have on my SSAR page, especially the OSINT one, but allows you to get there and do what you got to do. That's really what this is about. Let's and I'm not, there's not much else to say because not much else you need to know. This is simple, easy peasy type of place to go to see a bunch of tools that you can use that can help you find information. So let's, as an example, let's try email rep, which is one of my favorites. I've done videos on it, and there you go, it gets you there. So think of it like a one-stop shop. Now, it's not my tool. My tool is this tool, which can do everything that tool can do and a whole lot more, but it's pretty darn good and easy and free. Free is good. Free is good. So this is OSINT Essentials. My name is Dean DeCosta, the Search Authority. May the source be with you.